Okay, this is how you stop the chirping sound on your smoke detector. Now this brand name here is a Kidde or Kidde, Kidde, but I'm gonna show you guys how to stop that chirping and change the battery. So what you're gonna wanna do is take and twist it off like that. And you'll see that there's these clips here. You're gonna push in on both sides of that. I'm holding my phone with one hand and trying to do this one hand, but you'll take those off the clips there. Okay, once you unplug it and you have it in hand like this, right here is the battery compartment. You would think that you'd have to just kind of pull up on this, but that's not the case. You actually push in on it and the battery door comes open like that. And then there's another clip right here above it. You just push up on that and then you pull out. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do to stop the chirping, because just replacing this battery may fix it, but if it doesn't, then what you have to do is pull the battery out, push in on this, and hold it. And what that does is it eliminates any of the power that's in it and kind of releases everything. Just hold it for a few seconds and then let go, and then put in your new battery. Make sure you're using a good battery. Don't use one of those generic dollar store batteries. And also make sure you're putting it in the correct way. Mine does have a sticker that shows which way to go it goes in, but in case yours doesn't, this is the way it goes in like that. All right, and then put it in there like that. Push it down.
Push test button.
Okay, and then you're gonna wanna, if you push the test button, it'll beep and run its tests, and then get it hooked back up, and make sure you don't bend those prongs right there when you are hooking it back up. But that's how you stop the chirping on your smoke detector or carbon monoxide detector.